Hasidic Yiddish ads are their own genre of humor that is circulated internally in the Hasidic community to advertise businesses. And if there is one motif that repeats again and again with these ads, it is the Shlimazel humor trope. It is an old Jewish humor trope where there is a person who is full of misadventures and therefore a source of comic relief. I think the technical word would be shlemiel. There are several famous Yiddish words to describe people who maybe are out of luck. The shlemiel and the shlimazel are two of them. The refrain goes that the shlemiel spills the soup on the shlimazel. So the shlemiel is the one who is left-footed, who is irredeemably always getting things wrong, and the shlimazel is the one to whom all the bad things happen. Although I would say in my world, the word shlimazel is the one that is really the most frequently used, and the characters that we see in Hasidic Yiddish ads, I would call them shlimazels. The shlimazel in these ads, they have a kind of a look, they have a whole kind of a persona that is the source of the humor. And in this ad for Upstate Collision, which is part of a series of ads, we see the shlimazel embody the ultimate shlimazel character. He wears a special set of clothing. Everything is very frazzled. He's wearing, instead of a clean tzitzis, which is the outer ivory garment with the fringes, he wears a very old one that is all over the place. His son's tzitzis is also all over the place, hanging out. They're both wearing suspenders. Suspenders can come in two varieties. They could be very modern if they have those loops, or they could be very old-fashioned. So he's wearing old-fashioned clothing with the suspenders. He's even wearing, in some cases, a kuchma, and the kuchma is a source of humor as well. The kuchma is mostly a hat that is no longer worn among the younger Hasidic generation. It's a warmer hat, and him wearing kuchma is also a source of humor. So there's this whole garb that you see on the shlimazel that is Hasidic and is traditional, yet is very distinctly old-fashioned and a source of humor. The shlimazel also drives a jalopy. He drives an old station wagon, so that's also old-fashioned. And we also see him use extremely old-fashioned tech, like he still has a beeper. His wife beeps him 911 in one ad, and he still uses tapes, which he thinks are inserted in the trunk of the car in another ad. So this ad, I think, collectively really embodies the shlimazel character. And when I watch these kinds of ads, I can, in the back of my mind, hear the sound of Hasidic children's laughter. I know that this is something that delights them a great deal. So here is the stereotypical Hasidic shlimazel ad.
Daddy, kick him, my mother is stuck.
Hast du? Verspätet dich der Boss? Ist er schon gelungen noch? Lass mir ihm helfen, fixen sein Kerl. Du weißt, dass ein Oil Change mit Chanukah ist ein größtes Gille? Meinst du, wird besser? Na, hast du einen Gartel? Hast du keinen Gartel, oder was?
Daddy, das geht vom Morgen brennen.
WD-40 hast du auf den? Das ist gut, ich meine, alle Sachen liegen in der anderen Karte.
Ah, Apple Juice ist sicher drauf.
Wo ist die da? Deze Zicker, wo sind wir denn? Deze Zicker! Look, man. Jetzt noch eine Karte? Kijk eens. Een herrliche rentelkaart van Upstate Collision. En zij brengen ons nog alleen maar op den Platz.
Vorgesundheit, in so schon kennen wir von den alten Jalapa.
Oei, is er gewinn een goede bekar. Shem Nusan was Shem Lukach.
Nee, wij sorry.